In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Spaceship domain to Vercel. We'll go through the full process of linking your custom domain from Spaceship to a project hosted on Vercel, so your site can be reached through your own domain name instead of the default Vercel URL. To get started, head over to your Vercel dashboard and open the project you want to connect to your domain. Make sure you're selecting the correct project because the domain settings are managed individually for each one. Once you're inside the project, click on the Settings tab at the top. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Domains. This is the section where Vercel lets you add and manage any custom domains connected to your project. Now enter your domain name in the domain field and click Add. Be careful to type the domain exactly as intended, since even a small typo can cause issues later when you try to verify the connection. After you add the domain, Vercel may prompt you to also add the www version of the domain and recommend using it as the primary domain. Go ahead and click Add to confirm. This is a common setup because it gives you flexibility and helps ensure both versions of the domain can route correctly. Next, Vercel will display the DNS configuration details you need. This is one of the most important parts of the process because these records tell Spaceship how to point your domain to Vercel. Keep this page open or carefully note the record types, names, and values shown there since you'll need to enter them exactly in the next step. Now log into your Spaceship account and go to your domain list. Find the domain you're connecting, then open its DNS management area. This is where you'll update the records so the domain knows where your website is hosted. In the DNS settings at Spaceship, update the records using the information Vercel provided. Make sure each record matches exactly, including whether it's an A record, CNAME record, or another type. Accuracy matters here, and if there are any old conflicting records already in place, those may need to be adjusted or removed so they don't interfere with the connection. Once the DNS records have been updated, return to Vercel and verify the connection. Keep in mind that DNS changes aren't always instant. Sometimes they work within a few minutes, but in other cases, they can take longer to fully propagate. After verification completes successfully, your Spaceship domain will be connected to your Vercel project and ready to use.